keep on posting more designs like this to trigger all those haters out there. Hey, what is going on YouTube family? Thank you for stopping by. So this is the channel where we talk about sneakers and streetwear. So for today's video, I give you guys the 6th episode of the Streetwear Hunt series. This is where I hunt for local streetwear brands and feature them here on my channel. This is just my own way of trying to help them out and give them more promotion. So the brand that we are going to feature for today is called HATED Apparel. So this is the package that I bought from them. Shout out sa HATED Apparel team. Shout out kay JM Britannico. Thank you for accommodating my purchase. And I just want to commend you guys. Napakaganda ng packaging. Nung nakuha ko to from the delivery guy, nung inabot niya to sa akin, nagulat ako. Because look at the packaging, guys. This is definitely a unique packaging. Simple lang pero may malaking impact. So I'm really excited to open this because naset yung expectation ko nung packaging. So let's see kung abot nga or up to par yung t-shirt sa loob. Let's go! Meron silang pinadalang tatlong stickers. This is the sticker number 1. It's their logo in an orange colorway. And this is sticker number 2. This is also their logo pero engulfed in flames. And sticker number 3, their basic black and white logo. Thank you for sending this over, JM. Dumadami na yung sticker collection ko and I will add this to the box. Now, it's time for the t-shirt. Tingnan natin kung maganda nga yung t-shirt. Okay, so hindi ko alam to. Pinadalan din nila pala ako ng freebie, ng mask. It has that hated logo here. And baliktaran siya, meron din siya dito. Now, let's look at their t-shirt. So, you know guys, ang unahin nating i-test is yung tela. If you feel out natin kung maganda nga yung tela. And let me see first before I make any comments. Yeah, it feels like it's the same consistency like the other local streetwear brands na feature ko din dito sa Streetwear Hunt na to. Makapal yung tela. So, ayoko nung manipis na medyo tumatagos yung skin mo sa ilalim. Now, let's move on to the tag. Actually, wala silang tag, pero meron sila nung neck tape. And I think that this is okay because pulido yung pagkaagawa nila dun sa neck tape. Very legible yung text, hated, and proper spacing. Maganda yung pagkaka-print. And yeah, I'm okay with this. Good job on the neck tape, guys. Now, moving on, meron din sila naka-print dito na hated logo nila. And nakalagay din dito yung Facebook page nila and yung cleaning instructions pagka nilalaban. I have something to point out dito sa part na to, guys. So when it comes to the print, I feel like pwede nyo pang kapalan yung paint or yung ink na ginamit nyo dito. I feel like pwede nyo pa siyang i-double coat. Kasi if you see or if you look, kita ko yung fabric sa likod and it feels thin. So this is not a deal breaker, hindi siya big deal. So I just wanted to note it sa HATED Apparel team that if you can thicken yung paint or yung pagpahid dito sa part na to and you're all good. I know guys that you are going to be on top of this and ulitin ko hindi naman siya a deal breaker. Now let's move on to the front graphic. Front graphic, plain and simple, hated. So this one sa harapan, I can feel like makapal yung paint or yung ink na ginamit. And yung color pa lang niya, yung neon green, stands out on this black t-shirt. And I like the treatment that you guys used on the font. So let's look at the print on the side. Ang nakalagay dito is being real gets you hated. So yeah, that is the main message of their brand that these days, ang daming haters lalo na sa social media. And this brand, they are addressing that with their designs on their t-shirts. So for example, ito, this is very true. Being real gets you hated. Totoo naman yung sinabi nila na you can't please everybody. And when you find the courage to be real and when you find the courage to be yourself, not a lot of people would like that because sometimes sila mismo, they are insecure. Sila mismo, pag nakakita sila ng ibang tao na umaangat and pag nakikita nila yung ibang tao na nahanap na nila yung sarili nila, doon sila magsisimula mag-hate doon sa person na yun. So itong quote na to is really on point. And to be honest guys, this is the selling factor for me kaya ako binili tong t-shirt na to because yung message, I can really relate to it. Ever since I started to stop pleasing people, ever since that I started to focus on my own happiness, doon dumami yung mga haters ko. It's because hindi ko na sila piniplease anymore eh. And nakita nila na I'm striving to reach my goals. Nung nakikita nila lang umaabante na ako, being real with myself, doon na sila nagsisimulang nag-hate. So this quote right here, I can really relate to it. So props to the Hated Apparel team. I like your messaging, I like your designs. Keep on posting more designs like this to trigger all those haters out there. Now, let's move on to the back graphic. So yung back graphic is same as the front. Naka-vertical nga lang siya, different treatment. Nothing else to point here. It's the same. The paint is good, makapal. It really stands out. So even if you're wearing this ng malayo, I think that people will still be able to see the message of your t-shirt. So JM, props to you guys. Ang galing. So good job with the messaging. Just keep on pushing material like this. Malaki yung impact niya sa society natin ngayon. Alright, that's it. So napakita ko na yung buong t-shirt. Simple nga lang siya pero malakas ang dating. Now before we move on, tignan ko muna kung meron pa akong ibang mga call out na pwede nyo pang pag-improvean. So let's see. Alright, that's it. Tinignan ko na yung buong shirt. And JM, I just wanted to commend you. Good job. Ang only thing na I can call out or point out is yung loob nga. Yung print nyo dun sa loob. This is not a deal breaker guys ha. Hindi to kasisira ng Hated Apparel. Kapalan nyo lang yung print, all good na. So I'm really satisfied with this end product, this t-shirt. And I'm excited to wear this. So before we leave, before we end this video, I will give you guys an OOTD footage of me wearing this shirt. So if you want to check Hated Apparel out, alam nyo na yun guys. As usual, I will put the links in the description box below. You guys should check them out. Marami pa silang ibang designs and marami pa silang ibang pasabog in the coming months. Now, we have reached the end of this video. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell icon below so you won't miss my next Streetwear Hunt episode. This is your boy Gabe, signing out. Peace! Thank you.